Well, what a fool I was. When I was doing the ATB conversion and the gear change, I realised that I had my back to you most of the time because we ain't got enough room to swing a cat now. But anyway, I wanted to show you something interesting. The difference between a regular diff and an ATB. This is one of Bill's boxes. He built it himself. He did a good job on it. The only thing I had to do was go down to the machine shop at JP's. What a strange thing that was. And have the shim thinned down by 5/1000 of an inch because it was just a little bit too tight. So this is it all built up, but I want you to notice this. You know when you get your clonk, remember I said in the previous video that that was your hub doing that, and that's it. It's just catching up because this has got the regular diff in. Alright, it's nice and tight, you know, not tight, but it's tight. Now I'm going to put this onto the test bench and box up the other one so it's ready to go out. But let's go and have a look at it anyway. As you can see, I've got the machine here working away. It's been on it all day since 6 o'clock this morning. Thought I'd get a few miles on it. It's nice and warm, even just at that speed. You can spin it up a bit higher. But it doesn't really change all that much. All it does is my motor gets hot. So I'll switch that off. And like I say, it turns really nice. But what is the difference between this and an ATB? Well, look. Virtually no backlash. Now, one of the things I'm going to show you, I'll go and get another pry bar. Now this looks like it is in diff lock, but it isn't. If we put a pry bar across here, and turn this, and turn this one here, you can see the ATB working. Turn around. We can easily put it into diff lock, but that's it working. It's working away, so it looks like it's locked, but you can hear all that clonky knocky has gone, so they're well worth the money. I'm going to take this out now, drain the oil, put Bill's box on. I've done his R380. I've got another R380 just come this morning. Yeah, kind of busy. So I hope you like that and I hope you understand what they do now. See ya.